Have you ever noticed that your desk is horizontal but your notebook is vertical? Most paper is designed for a world that didn't have keyboards or wide monitors. Today, we're looking at a tool that finally fixes that. This book rethinks paper from the desk up. It's called the BetterBook 3, and it's designed to align perfectly with your digital workflow. Most notebooks were designed decades ago. They're built for vertical pages which just don't fit modern workspaces. When you try to take notes next to a keyboard, the notebook feels out of place. It hits your screen or gets in the way of your mouse. This tool changes that. It uses a horizontal 18:9 layout. This matches the aspect ratio of modern computer screens. Writing next to your laptop finally feels natural. Because of the 180-degree lay-flat design, your wrist and arm stay in a comfortable position. It doesn't fight you. It just sits there, ready for your ideas. We live in a digital world, but many of us still love the feel of pen on paper. This system bridges that gap. The pages are designed for easy scanning. Since they match a screen's ratio, you can capture a full page with your phone camera without awkward cropping. The inset page boundaries act as a guide. Your handwritten notes are instantly ready for digital use, sharing, or archiving. The biggest problem with traditional notebooks, they fall apart or get messy as your notes grow. This gadget is modular. It uses precision metal rings that let you remove any page and put it back whenever you want. You can mix and change page types to fit your specific project. It also features built-in writable tabs and dividers. This means your notes stay organized by structure, not just by the date you wrote them. You aren't stuck with a fixed book. You have a flexible system that grows with you. This isn't a disposable product. It's built to be kept. The cover is made of durable vegan leather that handles daily wear with ease. When the notebook is full, you don't throw it away. You just replace the inner core with FSC-certified eco-friendly paper. You can even store your old pages in a dedicated storage box. It comes in two sizes, a desk size for deep work and a compact size for when you're on the move. You can also add smart tools like a magnetic pen holder or a metal focus tool for Pomodoro sessions. It's all about what works for your specific flow. If you're tired of your notebook clashing with your computer, this might be the upgrade you need. It's simple, timeless, and actually fits on a modern desk. If you found this helpful, please like the video and share it with someone who loves stationery. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into smart tools. You can find the link to the product in the description below. Thanks for watching.